Hey, hi guys, welcome to my video. So this is regarding the Salesforce certified JavaScript developer 2 maintenance, which is summer 2022. So we'll give- get to two tasks here. One will be objective and one will be hands-on. So for the hands-on, I'm saying I completed that. So you can also complete it. So what is asking is you need to create a record card quick file and copy this things into this LWC component. And in that LWC component, just we need to update two things. One is this, you need to add the lightning confirm, and we need to add this constant. So I'll be adding this two into uh, description of this video. You can also take help of that. And yeah, after adding that, you can deploy it. Then you can check for the points. I think it will be completed. That's all, guys. Take care. Bye.